Hey everyone, welcoming you all. So today we are going to understand Article 16 of the Indian Constitution, which talks about equality of opportunity in public employment. So let's know about what Article 16 is. First, we'll read the paragraph, then we'll try to understand it in a simple language. Article 16 of the Indian Constitution ensures equality of opportunity in matters of public employment and prohibit discrimination based on religion, race, caste, sex, descent, place of birth, or skin. So the last two or three sentences is kind of similar to Article 15, which talks about there shouldn't be any discrimination on the grounds of this. So again, Article 16 talks about equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. So basically, Article 16 talks about that when it comes to the employment, there shouldn't be any discrimination on basis of anything. So the state cannot prohibit anyone or discriminate anyone on the grounds that has been listed here. So now let's know about key provisions of Article 16. So there are article and there are the clauses that has been listed here. So equal opportunity in employment under the state is written in Article 16 clause 1 and Article 16 clause 2 talks about there shouldn't be any discrimination. Article 16 clause 3 has been added by 7th Amendment Act, which talks about Parliament's power to regulate employment. Again, Article 16 clause 4 talks about reservation for socially and educationally backward classes. So in order to get the reservation, one not only socially but he or she has to be educationally backward also. So it says that reservation for socially and educationally backward class. Again, Article 16, Clause 4A was added by 77 Amendment Act. Again, Article 16, 4B was added by 81st Amendment Act. And Article 16, Clause 5 talks about religious institution and employment. Again, it talks about there shouldn't be any discrimination on the grounds of religious institutions and employment. Article 16 clause 6 was added by 103rd Amendment Act. So these are the Amendment Act that has been added and these are the clauses that has been added by the amendments. So let's know about the significance of Article 16. Ensures merit-based employment in public services. While it has the concept of reservation, but it always says that merit shouldn't be eliminated wholeheartedly from the concept. Merit as well as reservation should be there with some limited addition. Protects against discrimination. So again, Article 16, just like the 15, is an protection against discrimination. It has been said that the state should not and cannot discriminate any person on any ground. Balances equality with the need for reservation. So there are some classes which are not in the same position with the other classes as well. So in order to lift them up, there are some reservation that has been mentioned. So Article 16 talks about balance equality with the need for reservation. So Article 16 is kind of a balance between the one who is uh, not in a similar position with the upper class. So Article 16 tries to bring them with the position that similar to the upper class. So there are some of the landmark judgments that have been following the criteria of Article 16. So the first one is Indra Sawhney versus Union of India, which is also known as Mandal Commission case in the year of 1992. And the court gives judgment and it says that validated reservation. So this was the judgment that has been given in the Indra Sawhney case. The next we have Nagaraj versus Union of India in the year of 2016 and the court stipulated conditions for reservation. Next, we have Jarnail Singh versus Lakshmi Narayan Gupta in the year of 2018, and the judgment was relaxation of creamy layer concept in SC or ST reservation. So, this is all about what Article 16 is, which talks about equality of opportunity in matter of public employment. So, in conclusion, there are some points that I have been added. So, let's read it. Article 16 is fundamental in ensuring equal opportunity. So Article 16 all about equality in public employment. Reservation are essential but require periodic review. It says that reservation, as I said, is important in order to uplift the classes which is in inferior position, but it also requires periodic review so that time to time it gets reviewed. Striking a balance between merit and affirmative action is key. Again, as I say that uh, reservation is there, but merit should not be avoided. So merit and reservation should both go hand in hand. So that it's all about Article 16, which is kind of similar to Article 14 and Article 15. Article 14 and 15 and 16 can be read together as well. So that's all for today. In today's video, I have tried to cover up what Article 16 is and what are its clauses and what are the Amendment Act that has been added and what are the clauses that has been added by the Amendment Act. So that's all for today. We'll be meeting soon with another content as well. So till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.